Heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, south...
Aha! Finally!
Thunderstorm warning for South Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, northeastern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, western Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Harbison State Forest, or near Irmo, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, West Columbia, Irmo, Forest Acres, Winnsboro, St. Andrews, Dentsville, Arcadia Lakes, Fairfield County Airport, villages as Sandhill, Columbia International University, Killian, Harbison State Forest, Riverbank Zoo, Lake Carolina, West Columbia Riverwalk, Ballantine, Five Points, Woodfield, and Bluewood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile marker 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile marker 64 and 74. Interstate 26 between mile markers 96 and 108. Interstate 77 between mile markers 17 and 33. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXK 98 Raw, South Carolina.